and all parties fought together for against the BJP, and he got you elected. You won by about 15,000 some odd votes. Do you think that camaraderie and that unity of the opposition is missing today, in Goa especially?
See, down below it is there. Down below it is there. Whether it was Goa Forward or whether it was Aam Aadmi Party or it was NCP or Shiva Sena, UBT, all of them worked for me. But somewhere at high level, Poita, AAP leaders, whether it is Mr. Kejriwal or their leader Mrs. Atishi who comes to Goa, so they make statements that no more this, no more unity or no more whatever alliance. They have left India bloc also. Whatever, they must be having some compulsion, which is not good for democracy, because Hatun, BJP stands to benefit. They are very happy if the opposition is divided. But have you seen in Goa any Congress leader going, so whether leader of opposition or whether president, has he ever made statement against AAP? We are not making statement. You will not find me making statements.